a regular microscope that you might, it might look familiar to you, but it's really jacked up. It's really super cool. We use lasers. A lot of microscopy is laser based now.
So what kind of microscope is this?
This is called a multiphoton confocal
Wow.
microscope.
This is
Multiphoton,
cool.
yeah. So you know what the light spectrum
Yes.
is, okay? So this can collect image data using any light in the whole light spectrum.
Yeah.
So if you look behind you, oftentimes we can color plant parts, pieces, viruses, whatever you want to look at with fluorescent dyes, with fluorescent tags. And live materials can be put under this microscope. We can fire up the lasers hit those dye molecules and they cause the emission of different wavelength light.
Right.
And that light can be collected and digitized and put on a computer and you can generate these wonderful images.
I thought that in this kind of microscopes, the way to see what you are putting underneath is through the digital image.
Yeah, and that's what we do.
So what do the
You have to collect the image using a series of lenses, and you're really focusing the beam and collecting all of that information using a regular microscope.
All right.
But then, the image.
The image is really there.
Yeah. So to make a 3D image on this machine, if you think of a banana, you can cut a banana into lots and lots of slices. And so what this does is it optically dissects material.
Yeah.
It makes optical sections. So think of a banana, each of those slices would be a section. So you're focusing up and down on the material that's on the stage and you're making these optical sections. So you can look at each individual section by itself, but it doesn't have too much depth to it. But you can take all of those sections and stack them together. And then you can rotate that at 360 degrees, and that's how you make a 3D image. And then you can color, pseudo-color with cyan, blue, and red, and on a gray background and make it depth.
Is this connected to a 3D printer?
Yes.
And you can, wow.
Yeah, we do it all here.
Wow.
Yeah. In fact, that printer was just fixed. Okay, so anyway, oops, lost a phone. So this is the microscope. This costs more than my house probably, but